All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So Olixar was kind enough to send over a stack of things for Galaxy Note Ultra, and I appreciate it. So I'm going to go down the list. Now, I do have a screen protector and then a tempered glass. I'm going to go with the tempered glass first, just kind of see what it looks like in here. And if I don't like this, I'll go ahead and go with the screen protector more than likely in the end. Yeah, this is the kind where it's, got the, no offense, Olixar, but those are the lame ones. It's just got stickiness around the edges. So let's check this out. Let's open this up here. Let's see what's in here. Yeah, see, this is a nice screen protector right here. Yeah, so I'll probably put this on. And you've got all your materials right there that you need. We'll tackle that. But for now, let's throw on some cases. The first one I'll start with is this premium smartphone case. I'm gonna get my glasses so I can see if I can give you a name. The carbon fiber for the Samsung Galaxy Note Ultra. So let's get it open here. Basic packaging and everything. Nothing fancy. So here it is. This is like those little cases that you find on Amazon for like $6 to $8. This is those cases. So all ports and everything on these cases are all going to probably be the same, except for this leather case when it comes to the exterior. But let's pop it on here. This is one of those like ultra thin drop style cases where it just protects the device from minimal coverage. It's not an outer box or anything like that. Buttons and everything work great on it. So, I mean, this is what it is. Nice, simple case to the point. Any case that does not have wireless charging, that does have wireless charging will work as long as the case is plastic. And most of these cases are. So you got a leather case here. And we're gonna go ahead and put this on the phone here. Let's see. All right. Here, pop it in. It goes in like that, and then it just goes on. Wow, this is pretty nice. Super. It's got lots of padding in here. I didn't know what this will feel like, but lots of cushion in here. And obviously, it's the kickstand version, so you can put it like this. The buttons are exposed on this side here, and on this side, obviously nothing. And then you got access to your S Pen and all the other ports. So you can drop a couple of cards in there. I suggest only putting maybe one ID and one credit card, because I've used these before and they really stretch out. Now, one issue that I see with this one is there's no earpiece coming through the front. So maybe when I make a phone call, I'll be able to hear out the top, but I will definitely test that out. So that is this leather case that they have here. Let's put this aside. I'm just running through these, folks. And we got two more cases here. And this is a clear case. Yep. Don't troll me, please. Don't troll me. Please don't troll me. Please don't troll me. All right. We're looking good. We're looking good. Ah, yes. I didn't get trolled on the back. So on the inside. So I'm gonna wipe the phone down. Then I'm gonna put it in. And now let's see. Should be even easier for the back. Come on, buddy. Don't troll me. I gotta sing the song. That's what it is. Booyah. It didn't troll me. And this case is really nice. It covers up the bump, obviously, like most of the cases do for the Galaxy phones. It covers it up. So some of these cases turn yellow sometimes over time, but most of the clear cases now that I've gotten, they haven't changed. They're still, they get dirty, so I wipe them down with alcohol wipes. But other than that, they pretty much stay the same. So as you can see here, there's a little bit of air inside of here. You see a little pocket inside of there? Yeah. So, but most cases do that. Some cases do. But this is a hard case with like soft sides. It kind of reminds me of the Rinky cases. Yeah, it kind of reminds me, obviously, of these. This is just a frost version, though, but same thing. But the Rinky case doesn't have like the pocket in there, but still, same thing. You can search for all these cases on Amazon or just go into Google and type in Olixar and then Galaxy Note 20 Ultra or Galaxy Note 20. You will find these cases. Now, here's a case that I'm telling you, these are cases that I wouldn't buy, and not anymore. But you know, they sent this over. This is a little kickstand case, and you know, this is a real low quality case at best, but it does have grip. I don't. These cases normally come in a bunch of different colors and things like that. So, you know, I don't foresee myself using this at all. But it sure looks good. You know what? I gotta go ahead and admit it. I hate to say it. I don't like the color of this case, but what I do like is the way it feels, man. There is so much grip on this case. It's ridiculous, man. This case, and it has a kickstand. Okay, so keeping it 100 is not the best looking case. If it was all black, maybe that would be different, but this blue is just not a good look to me. However, this is the best feeling case. Let me open up face on that. This is the best feeling case of all those cases, man. It's got tons of grip. And it just feels good, man. Yeah, man, I like this, man. I don't like the color, though, but I like how it feels. Yeah. Anyway, there it is, man. Olixar has dropped a bombshell on me by bringing me several different kinds of cases, different colors, everything. And I want to try them on for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Take care.